Are you there all? Good afternoon, Jaydeep. Me? Yeah, hello students. Are you there? Okay, I can see. So, take up your notebooks where we have written the homeworks so that accordingly we'll just thoroughly explain the things. If you have any doubt, you can just reply. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So uh, the first question yesterday I have given you fill in the blanks using A and the appropriate form. Okay. So number one. My brother had gone dash hour ago. Whatever answer you have given, you have written, you just reply what answer you have written for this question. My brother had gone dash hour ago. Just reply it. I'm waiting for the reply. And then, okay, good afternoon, Jaideep, Purnima, Devraj, good afternoon. Yeah, I can see you all are here. Okay, so you reply the answer and then we will start our list. Sonal, yeah, Sonal has given the answer. My brother had gone an hour ago. Yeah, that is the correct answer. My brother had gone an hour ago. Okay, so now, okay, next question. The correct answer is an, okay, an hour ago. Okay, next question. Okay, Hunmili and yes, Hunmili has also written the correct answer. So I hope everyone has written it. If you have not written also, you can correct it. Okay, number two. Let's go to the yes. Ishita has also replied same and okay. Okay, so now number two. The classes started after dash. So reply the answer. The classes started after. Yeah, I'm waiting for the reply. I'm waiting for the answer. Okay, Jaideep has written the. Yeah, answer. Yeah, the is correct. The classes had started after the bell had rung. That is the correct answer. Yeah, Hunmili has also. Yeah, Sonal, Abhijit, everyone has given the correct answer. The answer will be the. Okay, so let's go to the another question. Every school has dash union of the students. Every school has dash union of the students. So what will be the answer? Okay, Grace, I'm asking you yesterday's homework. So the answer is the, okay. The classes started after the bell had rung. Okay. Okay. Understood, Grace? The is the second answer. Okay. Yeah, Hunmili, that is the correct answer. The answer will be a union. The, every school has a union of the students. Okay. Yeah, Grace has also given the correct answer, a union. Okay, so now next question. Dash which are not always unkind. Dash which are not always unkind. So what will be the correct answer for this? Dash which are not always unkind. So reply the answer. Okay, Jaideep, previous one you have given the reply, that is correct. So now I'm asking dash which are not always unkind. What will be the correct answer? Okay, Sonal has given the correct answer. Yeah, Hunmili, no, that is wrong. Not a, the rich. Okay, the rich are not always unkind. They actually are not always. This Ishita, Jaideep, yeah, you have given the correct answer. The rich are not always unkind. Okay. Okay, now my brother is dash NCC cadet. What will be the answer? Okay, I will repeat the question. My brother is dash NCC cadet. Yeah, Jaideep, Grace, you have given the correct answer. Unmili, Sonal, Ishita, yes, everyone has given the correct answer. And it will be NNCC cadet. Abhijit, yeah, correct. NNCC cadet. Okay, so I will go to the next question. Ramin comes home twice dash month. Twice dash month. Ramin comes home twice dash month. Okay, Muskan, correct? Yeah. And it's the correct answer for the previous one. Now I'm asking you, Ramin comes home twice dash month. What will be the correct answer? Yeah, okay. Jaideep, Abhijit, Sangeeta, Ishita, Grace, Sunmili, everyone has given the correct answer. It will be a. Yeah. Answer will be a month. Twice a month. Okay. Okay, let's go to the other question. Then I will take you to. Okay. Then I will take you. Have replied it. This is for previous one or now? Sonal. Okay, Ishita. No. I'm talking about here. University means a particular university. We are talking about particular university. No, not an university. You don't remember a university. Yes, we use a university. But here I will take you dash university means to a particular university I'm talking about. So what will be the answer? Yeah, this has written the correct answer. It will be the university. Then I will take you the university. Okay. Yeah, to P. Yeah, Bridget, you have given the correct answer. Yes, everyone is giving the correct answer now. It will be the. Amarjit. I gave dash 1 rupee note to the. Yeah, the connection is little bit weak, but still let's try. Okay. Um, there is some problem going on, but still let's continue. Okay. I gave dash 1 rupee note to the beggar. I gave dash 1 rupee note to the beggar. Yes, everyone is giving the correct answer. Yes, Muskan, Himali, Purnima, Devi. Yes. He will come back within dash hour. What will be the correct answer? He will come back within dash hour. Yeah, everyone is yeah. An hour, yes, correct. Everyone has given the correct answer. The answer will be an hour. Okay, next question. Let's go to the next question. Dash hour has passed since he left. Same question. This dash hour has passed since we left. Since he left. Answer? Yeah. Yes. And will be the correct answer. Yeah, everyone is giving the correct answer. And an hour has passed since he left. Okay. Clear, everyone? Now, next question. Dash honorary secretary gets no salary for holding the post. Dash honorary secretary gets no salary for holding the post. Dash honorary secretary gets no salary for holding the post. Yes, and yeah, Muskan has given the correct answer. Purnima, no, not the, it will be an honorary secretary. Okay, an honorary secretary. Answer will be an. Yeah, everyone, not the, it will be an. If we are talking about a particular, here we are saying honorary secretary. Okay, we are not talking about a particular secretary. Every gets no holding, so gets no salary for holding the post. So it will be an. Okay, the answer will be an. Okay, next question. The workers decided to form dash union. Next question. The workers decided to form dash union. What will be the answer? Union. You, yes. Yeah. Ishita, Sunal, you have given the correct answer. A union. Yes, Jaideep. A union. A union. Okay. Yes, everyone is giving the correct answer. A union. Next question. Reading is dash useful hobby. Reading is dash useful hobby. What will be the answer? Reading is dash useful hobby. Yes. Jaideep, you have given the correct answer. Yes. Muskan. Yeah. Yeah. The answer is again Grace, Umili, Abhijit, Devraj, Ishita. Everyone is giving the correct answer. Okay. So, answer is A. Reading is okay. Sri Lanka is dash island. Okay. And yes. Everyone is giving the correct answer. An island. Not the, it will be an island. Okay. Sri Lanka is an island. Yeah. Everyone is giving the correct answer. Amarchi, Mili. Okay, now let's move to the last question and then we will discuss about other determinants. This is dash European lady I was talking about. The answer also this about this question is the European lady. We are talking about a particular lady, so it will be the European lady, the European lady. Okay, the European lady. Yes, everyone has. So now not an, it will be the European lady or the European lady. We actually pronounce it as the here. Okay. Okay. So we have completed the uses of a and the. So do you have any confusion here? If you are clear, you just reply it and then we will move on towards other determinants. Yes, the connection is very poor, but still let's try up to where we can complete it today. Okay. So do you have any confusion regarding a and the articles? All clear, everyone? Okay. So Grace said that everything is fine. Okay, no ma'am. It means you are not clear or you have no doubt. Yes, ma'am. Okay. That means you have no doubt. Yeah. Okay. So now last question. The European lady told it. The European lady as the European lady, as we are talking about a particular lady, okay? When we talk about a particular person or particular thing, we mention the, of course, the European lady. Okay? Clear, everyone? Okay, so I have sent you some of the notes of grammar. I hope everyone has written it. Yeah, if you have written, you just take out your notebooks and just see. As we don't have the facility of whiteboard and all, so it's in this way only we need to take the classes. That's because we have not found that this kind of situation will prevail here, that we should take live classes and all. So, okay, so we will start with, today we will learn little and few. Okay, the determiners little and few. So where we can use little and where we can use few. Okay, so already if you have written, I will read it out and explain it the things properly. If you have any doubt, you can just ask me. So now few and little. This few and little both are quantitative adjectives. Okay? They are quantitative adjectives. They actually tells us about the thing, how much we have, at what amount we have. But still these two both are same in manner, but still these two have some differences. Okay? Few and little, they have some differences. Now at first we will talk about few. Few denotes number and is used before plural and countable noun. Okay, few it denotes number. Okay, few it denotes number and we use few before any countable noun, and it should be in plural form. Okay, it should always be in plural form and countable. The thing which we can count in numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The things which we can count in numbers, these are all countable nouns. But still countable nouns are used as a plural form. Okay? Plural, both plural and singular form, countable noun. So few it denotes number and is used before the plural and countable object. Okay, with the thing which we can count. Can you give any example of countable noun? This reply, do you have any example of countable noun which we can count in numbers? Just write down anything that we can count. What are the things we can count in numbers? Reply it. Okay, pen. Yes, we can. Okay. If you are unable to hear the video properly, just try it, or after some time you can repeat the video and watch the video. Okay, if you have any doubt, eraser we can count. Yes, of course, the things which we can count in numbers, these are all countable noun, and these are there we use few. Okay, now few is few, and now little. Now what is little? Little is also a quantitative adjective. It already tells about how much quantity we have with us. Okay, whatever the thing is. But here little, it denotes amount. Few denotes number. Little denotes amount. Okay, and is used before singular and uncountable noun. Okay, little, it denotes amount. Few it denotes number. We can count in numbers. But little is uncountable noun. Little is used before uncountable noun. But remember, all the uncountable noun remains in singular form. Okay, we don't use as plural form. We use as singular form. The things which is uncountable. Okay. So little denotes amount and is used before singular and uncountable noun. Okay, little, it denotes amount. Little, it denotes amount and is used before singular and uncountable noun. Okay, so few we count in numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. But little we count in amount like kilogram, meter, millimeter, liter. Yeah, these are all uncountable nouns. It is not counted in numbers. It is counted as an amount like kilogram, 1 kilogram, 2 kilogram. No. So can you give an example of uncountable noun that we have, if you know? Any idea which is uncountable nouns? Uncountable objects. Sand, yeah. Rice, yeah. Okay, yes. Yes. Money is uncountable noun. Salt, sugar, yeah. You have given very good example. I understand it is not working. The connection is little bit poor, but still we have to continue it. I'm continuing. After we complete the chapter, after we complete this video, afterwards you can watch it again. Okay, you just repeat the video and watch it. And after that, if you don't understand, you ask me in the group. Okay, clear, Jaideep? Yeah. Okay, so are you clear with few and little? Everyone? Yes, few. Just remember few, countable, little, uncountable. Okay, now I will just continue. Now we have few and little has um, some kinds. Okay, few and little has some kinds. Few are divided into three types, and little is also divided into three types. Few is divided into three types, and little is also divided into three types. So they are similarly, little is also divided into three parts. They are little, a little, and the little. Okay, little, a little, and the little. Okay, clear everyone? So now we are clear with few and little. The few is countable. We use before countable noun. That will be in plural form. Little is used before uncountable noun, and that is used with singular form. Okay. So now as we have three parts of little and few. Now again this few or few, the few also have difference. Okay, they are not same. Now what is few? Few, it means almost none. It is actually used as negative form. Okay, few and little. Both few and little are used in negative form. Like I don't have, I have very insufficient things with me. If like suppose if I tell about someone, some guest has arrived, someone has come at my home asking for a cup of tea, and okay, then what I will do, suppose I don't have sufficient milk at home to provide a cup of tea, to make a cup of tea. I don't even have sufficient milk to provide one cup of naan. That means I have insufficient milk to provide one cup of tea. Okay. And again suddenly I remember that, oh, I have there is a little milk at my home, so I can actually provide a cup of tea. And then again I will tell my guest or someone that, okay, wait, I have a little milk, there is a little milk. That means I have sufficient milk so that I can provide one cup of tea. So when I have sufficient thing, which is like if I have sufficient amount of milk so that I can provide one cup of tea. That is, there is a little milk in the uh, uh, there is a little milk, so I can provide you one cup of tea. Okay. So in this way, little, insufficient, or little, sufficient means something. Not very much, not much, but little bit. I have little that I suddenly I tell someone that I have few papers to write. That means I don't have papers. I have insufficient papers to write the assignment, to complete the assignment. And suddenly I realize, I just remember that, okay, there is some paper. I have forgotten that there was some paper with me. And then suddenly I told my friend that, no, I have a few papers so that I can complete my work, I can complete my assignment. So in that case, I have something that I can few or little. But if you have sufficient so that you can actually manage with that particular thing, you will use a few or a little. But it will depend on countable and uncountable noun. If it is countable, you will write a few. If it is uncountable, you will write a little. Okay? Clear everyone? Few, little, a few, a little. Are you clear everyone? Okay, if you are clear, then I will explain the few and the little. You can repeat the video and just, okay, you are clear with it. Muskan, Grace, Ishita, okay, clear. Yeah? Now we will talk about the little and the few. After I complete the few and the little, then I will give you some example. I will give you example and then I will ask you some question after that. Okay, so just listen properly. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can just ask me again and again. Okay. Now the few and the little. The few, all that is left. Okay. Though not many, but whatever thing is left with me. So whatever is left with me, I'm talking about the all those things left with me. If I talk, the little is also all that is left with me, but not many. Like if I talk about water in the glass, so there is the little water in the glass. That means whatever left in the glass, uh, or the few papers I had. So whatever I have, the few friends I have means whatever I have. So in that case, whatever things left with me, though not many, but whatever is left with me, in that case we use the few or we use all. But I'm only talking about the water left in the glass. So whatever it is there, though it will be less also, but we are talking about the water left in the glass. So I will use the little water in the glass. So that is whatever left in that particular place or whatever it is with me. Yeah, a little rice has been left over. The little rice means whatever left, the things which are left with you, but it is not many, but whatever you have with you. In that case, we use the little or the few. Okay. So the few, all that is left with you, or the little, all that is left with you. But it will depend upon the countable and uncountable noun. If it is countable, you will use the few. If it is uncountable, you will use the little. Okay, clear everyone with the little and the few. If you are clear, just reply it, and then we will start the next one. Okay, so now we use rupees and minutes. Now rupees and minutes, we will use few, a few, or the few according to the sentence. Okay, okay, clear. Humili, okay, Ishita, about it, yes. Grace, you have said a little rice has left, not a little, the little rice. Okay, the little means whatever left. Okay, so now I will give an example of each. Okay, few, the few, a few, everything. Now, if I say I have dash foes, foes means enemies. Okay, I have dash foes. As I don't have any foes. Okay, so what I will write? I have few foes. Yes, I have few foes. That means I don't have any enemy. But if I have enemy, I can say I have a few foes. Okay, but I don't have it is in negative form. So we will write I have few foes. So when you say I have few foes, that means you don't have. But if you say I have a few foes, then you will say yes, you have some enemy. Okay, there are some enemies. I have dash books. I have a few books. If I say I have a few books, that means I have some books with me. Not all, but I have some books with me. That means a few. A few means some. I have some books with me. Then if I say dash friends he had are all gone. The few friends he had are all gone. Means his friends who were left, they are all gone. So here he will use the few. Means all they are that are left with him, they are all gone. The few friends he had the few friends, so they all left him, or they all gone. They had all gone. Next example of little, a little, the little. He has little strength. That means he has no strength. If you have, okay, then give me dash water. Means I'm asking for some water. Give me a little water. Give me a little water. Okay, that means some water. I want some water to drink. A little water. And then give the dash milk in the glass to the boy. That means whatever it is left in the glass. Here I am mentioning about the glass. So whatever it is left. So here we will write give the little milk in the glass to the boy. So that whatever left in the glass, we just give it to the boy. So in that case we use the little milk. Clear everyone? Few and little. Okay, that is the example. Like rupees and minutes. Whenever we have rupees, I have dash rupees. What we will say? A few or the few. It will depend on, like if I don't have, if it is a negative sense, I will write few. And if I have something, I will write. If I don't have, I will write few. If I have something, I will write a few. If I have whatever it is left with me, I will mention the few. Okay. So here, few like rupees and minutes. Okay, in rupees and minutes, we will use few, a few, or the few. It is always used as countable noun. Countable noun. Few and rupees and minutes. And then money and time. Time is of course uncountable. We will use money and time with uncountable. I will not say I have few time left. We can say I have few minutes left. Yeah, there is few minutes left. Please wait for few minutes. But we will not say few time. Okay, that will be wrong. Little time. Okay, little time. Clear? Rupees and minutes we use few, a few, and the few. Money and time we use little, a little, and the little. Money is actually used as uncountable noun because money is not only the paper money. We can say property is a money, gold is a money. As a like we can say a car as a money. No, because I have a house. This is also is a property. It is like a money. So it also works as a money. Gold as a money. So in that case, money is an uncountable noun. We cannot use money as a countable noun. We use money as uncountable noun because money is a property of someone. Money is a gold. It works as a gold. It works as a land. It works as a car. So these are all money. So that's why we use with rupees and minutes. We will use few, a few, and the few. Clear? Then suppose in a sentence you find the word like only and just. I have only dash time left. Only and just. There are just dash apples left. So in that case you will write a few or a little. Whenever you have the word only and just it says something. Not all, not in a negative sense, but some. That's why we use a little or a few. That will also depend on uncountable noun and countable. If it is uncountable, you will write a little. If it is countable, you will write a few. Okay. So these are that is what little and few denotes. Okay. So I have ended few and little. If you have any doubts, you just take out your notebook, you read once. If you have any doubt, just reply it. Then I will ask you some question related with few and little. Okay? Okay, if you have any doubt, you reply. and then I will ask you some question related with little and few. Do you have any doubts? So that we can continue our session. So a little bit, like I will give you example. I think this will be enough for today. Yeah, no reply till now. That means you have doubts or you have no doubts regarding little and few. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. You see, now I will repeat the thing, or else I will ask you some question. Are you there, everyone? Or you are sleeping? I think everyone is sleeping. Okay, not sleeping. Yeah, clear, everyone? Okay. So then, I will ask you some question. So you just, I will ask you some question. You just reply it. Let's see how much you have actually understood. Okay. Okay. So we will stay here for dash while. Options are little, a little, the little. We will stay here for dash while. Just reply the answer little, a little, or the little. We will stay here for dash while. So here just understand the sentence that we will stay here. That means we are actually talking about the positive one. We are not saying any negative words here. We will stay here. Yes, Ishita, you have replied. Yeah, it is correct. The little you have written that means what? All little you are talking. You have to reply little, a little, or the little. Yes, agrees. Okay, Muskan, Mili, she has written the correct answer. Sonal, yeah, a little. Okay, you have to reply it in that way. If you will say that means it will go to the article. Okay, and then Purnima, that is Devraj. Sorry, I forget the name. Okay, then Devraj. Okay, the little you are saying. I hope so. The little, yeah. No, the little will not be the correct answer. We are saying, okay, the answer is a little. Okay, that is the correct answer. We will stay here for, we will stay here for a little while, means for some time. We will stay here for some time. Okay, okay, so let's go to the another question. There are just dash apple left. There are just dash apple left. Few, a few, the few. Few, a few, the few. There are just dash apple left. Yeah. Yes, Muskan, Ishita, a few, yeah. Mili, yes. Jaideep, okay. Devraj, Amarjit, okay. So everyone has given the correct answer. Sonal, no, that is not the correct answer. It will be, I have told you, just. There are just dash apple left. So just is there. That means it will be a few, not the few. A few apple left. Okay. Okay, there is some technical problem going on. It's not clear. Okay, let me ask you some more question. Yeah, there is some problem. Okay, so let's do it fast. As, there's some problem. So okay, it will be the answer will be a few. Okay, not the few. Okay, okay. One or two questions, and then we will end the session today. Okay, now next question for you will be: I can depend. I can. Okay, I now it's clear. I think so. I can few, a few, or the few. I can depend on dash friends I have. What will be the correct answer? Few, a few, or the few? I can depend on dash friends I have. What will be the answer? Few, a few, or the few? Yeah, Jaideep has given the correct answer. Okay, Muskan, correct. Yeah, so the answer is the few. Because whoever it is left with me, I can depend on that friend. So that will be the few. Ishita, yes, correct. Sonal also correct. Okay. I have already told the questions, question Grace. Okay, one more question, last question, okay? Yeah. Yeah, Hunmili, correct? Yes. Okay, it will be the few friends I have, okay? Okay, last question. So last question will be dash guidance from you will be enough for me. Dash guidance from you will be enough for me. So the options are little, a little, and the little. Little, a little, and the little. Dash guidance from you will be enough for me. Little, a little, or the little. What will be the answer? Dash guidance. Okay. Yeah, everyone is Sonal. Not that is not the correct answer. It is not a little. It will be. Sorry. That's guidance. No, yes, it is a little. Others. Okay, so I think you are clear with it. Little and few. Yeah. If you have any doubts regarding, okay, yes, a little will be the correct answer, Jaideep. So I will like to complete the class here. If you have any doubts regarding little and few, you can ask me. Yes, a little is the correct answer. I hope you have understood the lesson or understood this topic properly. So I will give you some homework in the and send it in the group. So just complete it, and tomorrow at the same time at 12:30 we will meet again at the same time, and then the other remaining parts we will complete it today. Okay, and then I will also try to give you the question answers of Baker from Goa, as we have already completed in the class explanation of it. So question answer will be provided. Let me see till evening if I can provide you the question answer. I will provide you. And yes, don't. I have already told you yesterday. Don't only depend on the given question answer. Try to write some other questions also. Like if you know the story properly, write the summary of the story. So whatever questions come from this comes, you will be able to write it down. So try to read the lessons properly. Whatever lessons we have taught, we have already completed. Read the book thoroughly. Whenever you will read the book thoroughly, there will be no confusion. Whatever questions come, you will be able to write it. Okay, clear everyone? Okay, so bye students. Take care of your health, and I will give you the homework in the group. Okay, bye everyone.